Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1987, which is the final year of the Buick Grand National. This is a two-owner, clean Carfax, 37,000 mile car. The only thing, in my opinion, that I can see in walking around the car that's been upgraded are the bigger wheels and tires. As you can see, they're a little bit wider in the front. I think it gives it a really cool look. This car does have T-tops as well, bucket seats like they always came with on the Grand Nationals and the center console. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Underneath it's super dry, super clean. I think you guys are gonna love this one here. Very rare with the T-tops. They're getting very hard to find. The other one there is a coupe, but this one does have the T-tops. Again, 37,000 original miles, clean Carfax, two-owner auto check report. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Paint in the body, very nice on the car, as you can see, just walking around it. All the bumper fillers, usually they all get cracked up. These are plastic on how they came. Those are all replaced, brand new. Here are the T-tops in here in excellent condition, along with the bags. You got a little Buick Grand National turbo jacket, and all of the options are here, and I did take a photo of it. A lot of history here on the books from day one. You got the window sticker, warranty card, and some other stuff in this book here. Original spare tire in the back as well. Weather stripping does look all good around the entire car. And continuing to show you guys the quality of the paint on the car. Again, bumper fillers have all been replaced on the Buick Grand National. Car sounds really nice. There's no hesitation when you hit the gas pedal. Just everything works just like it should. You got a power driver's seat, you got power locks, power windows as well. Car showing 37,189 miles. Very clean underneath. I do have photos that you guys can check out at mgmclassiccars.com. Very well maintained Buick Grand National. So if you guys are watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom of your screen. And if you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. We offer financing to all of our MGM customers. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, go ahead and fill out the application on our website. You will need 10% down for financing if your credit score is between 600 and 739. Go to mgmclassiccars.com, click the finance tab, fill out the application. Somebody will be getting back to you very quickly. We do have up to 144-month term if needed to keep that payment really, really low. But if your credit score is 750 and higher, go directly to my lender's website. That's lightstream.com. It's an unsecured loan, good rates. Check that out, guys. My name is Thomas. We offer driveway delivery, fully insured for the purchase price of the car. Text me your zip code, call me, or email me, whichever way works for you guys easiest. If I don't answer, please leave a message. If you do text me, just tell me it's the 87 Buick Grand National with T-tops or a stock number, something like that, and I'll get you a quote really fast. Grab a pen. I'm going to get you guys my number. So in the meantime, here at MGM, we have over 115 classic muscle cars that are hand-picked throughout the country by me and my colleagues here at one location in Addison, Illinois. So you guys can check that out. We have 4 lifts in the back there of mechanics on staff all day, every day, except Sundays, checking out these vehicles. So you know what you guys are getting. You're buying with confidence. We're 100% seller on eBay with great ratings as well. So you got your pen? My number's 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code. I'll get you guys a quote right away. Thank you for watching mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas.